Elgen systems are considered a class 4 treatment unit. And with any class 4 treatment unit, you need sampling so that the companies that manufacture them can submit their samples and maintain their certification to be put into use in the province. This is a sample tray, so the effluent will go through the unit, get caught here, collect in here. They can come, dip it out, test their stuff, submit it, and keep their approval. That's what this is.
Wait, okay, so you put everything at your top.
I put everything at underside of unit.
Yeah, but normally
we go to top and then trench it out.
Yes.
It's easier.
yeah,
Well, how did you get this one dug in like that then?
because we fixed it.
Oh.
While they were working on that one,
So
I
you
had,
guys always trench.
yeah, because it just makes more sense. You don't have to really worry about grading all this because you just put it to top of unit,
Yeah, no, I get it.
and then you don't have to worry about getting sand all the way over there
So you were
around
confused
your
for a little
parts.
bit?
Yeah, I didn't necessarily do it wrong.
It's really hot. See, now they're not even ready for me yet. I'm running out of stuff to do because I'm way faster than you guys. I just had promoted him from 2 dumbs to 1 dumb, and then he clotheslined himself.
Get that on.
Oh, been here all day. Oh, gosh. Show these guys how to install it. The reel tonight that Jake makes is just straight up makes it look like I was here. Woo! He was here for 10 minutes.
Pour some water on your head.
Yeah.
Just like quiet Taylor chugging water, sweat just rolling down his face.
Yeah. Show them that the boss can still move the face. This video is sponsored by our good friends over at BetterHelp. BetterHelp has helped me in the past, present, as well as in the future. It ties in really nice because June is actually Men's Mental Health Awareness Month, which I think is great because in blue collar, listen, it's something on the job sites. You don't want to talk about it with your buddies. It seems like it's something you shouldn't talk about. It's taboo, it's this, it's that. BetterHelp's great. They have thousands of licensed therapists. You get to choose male, female, what do you want to talk about, what you don't want to talk about. Personally, I found that it helps really a lot. You can choose different time slots. If something doesn't work for you, rebook, go to the next one. Thank you, BetterHelp, for sponsoring today's video. Everybody, if you hit the link in the description or the one right here, you receive 10% off. BetterHelp supports us, so let them support you. Thank you. I get where you're going.
You know what you're saying? Like,
Sorry, that was a little hard.
no, it's fine. I'm like a rock.
Oh, you
I
are. I
was a
felt
little,
it.
little jiggly.
No, I felt it. No, I wasn't jiggly at all. Hey, you don't give yourself enough credit.
Let me flex.
No,
okay,
okay.
go ahead.
Resuscitation.
We're all first aid safe.
Yeah. You're the kid that when people are welding in welding class, they're like, don't look at it. You're like,
Oh, I've welded without it.
oh, he's so tough. Oh, I weld without a mask. Yeah, well, let me know when you go blind. No, we don't promote that, all right? Hey, wear your safety.
We love our fans. We love you.
Yeah.
We love our fans.
Yeah, no, for sure we do, yeah.
Yeah.
Sweated this morning. Did a 5.5 run K. K run.
Yeah.
Said that backwards. Sorry, it's the heat. Just punishing with some box water because we want to reduce our carbon footprint.
Call off the inspector. I'm like, you're fine,
You
dude.
got a little messed up.
Like, you have 24 feet between the lines.
Yeah, that's all part of learning, you know. That's the way she goes. And that's why, you know, we got guys like me come here and make sure that it all went smoothly. Right, Corey?
True. And guys like me to make sure you came here to make sure things ran smooth.
Yeah. Basically. Sliding it out. Letting it all hang. Buck 40.
It's a little like swampy ass.
Yeah, that happens.
I don't know how to say that politically correct.
I mean, it's just really sweaty out.
Is that what Riz means?
Yeah, you have,
Do I have Riz right now?
yeah, W Riz. Blake's 16. He knows all the W Riz, man.
Oh, is that? What do the kids call that? Do I have Riz right now?
I honestly, yeah, there's a lot of stuff now. Like, they use Sigma a lot. Do you know what Sigma means?
I don't even know what cat means.
Like, that's so Sigma. Cat means like you're full of shit.
And poggers?
Oh, I don't know what that sounds like.
It's
We shouldn't say it.
play of the game.
Oh.
Pog. I don't.
See, when I was younger, that poggers meant something completely different.
Was that was like the game you used to play?
No,
Oh.
it's something we don't want to talk about.
Oh, they call those upper deckers now.
Oh, that's funny. Upper deck. Let me know in the comments down below. How old is Taylor turning on June 13th? And if I swear to God, if I see somebody saying 40 or 41 or 42, you're out of my life.
Your birthday's the 13th?
Yeah.
I'm the 14th.
You're 14?
Yeah.
Wow, well, my
funny.
birthday is more important, so
yeah.
I'm probably not going to acknowledge that it is your birthday.
Oh,
What are you
yes.
talking about?
Yeah. Oh, Tori's doing push-up, pull-ups.
And it's going to fall because it looks like it's already been sawed at.
Tree growth, maybe.
It's definitely it was a swing. That's a rope.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
W's in the chat. Dude, W Riz for Blake, man. That's so Sigma. No cap, Blake is W Risen today on site.
Okay, look, Mike's digging a force main blind because you're not over there spotting for him.
Drown my fear till you all just disappear. Black hole sun, won't you come wash away the rain? Black hole sun, won't you come? Won't you come? Black hole sun, won't you come? Wash away the rain. Black hole sun, won't you come? Won't you come?
What are you doing? Film me?
Taylor
It's
asked me
Monday
to.
morning.
Yeah, no, he asked me to do this.
Don't be such a dick, Jake. I don't know if it's gonna work either, bud. Might as well give it a go.
Hey, you know, we should get a hook lift truck and pick it up. Nice. Good thinking, Corp. There you go. All right, I think it's good here.
Keys are in the truck.
Okay, you guys got this.
Yeah, we got this.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got
What's around it?
Huh? We'll find out.
Hazard or
We'll find out.
It's on lunch.
2 minutes ago, you were about sweating in the seat of the excavator. Now he's thinking about where he's going to eat lunch.
Hold me now. I'm 6 feet from the edge, and I'm thinking maybe 6 feet ain't so far down. Hold me now. I'm 6 feet from the edge, and I'm thinking maybe 6 feet ain't so far down.
Notice how that tractor's green and not blue?
Yeah.
We called for a blue one first. You know where it is? The mechanic's getting fixed. It made it about halfway. So now we got a green one. Yeah. Nothing runs like a deer. That's right. You put that in the YouTube. And everyone comment, nothing runs like a deer because John Deere's are best. That was smooth.
All right. Where are we? What are we doing today, Darren?
We're at the pit today. We're stripping some Elgen off, hauling it up to the top there for the dump trucks. We got a little buggy behind the tractor and loading it with the 336, but it's going pretty good. Doing about 12 to 15 tons a load. Yeah.
Late night telephone, calling all the wallflowers I know, out the dark and into the light. Floating on my low-key flight, floating on my low-key flight. I don't need a light high, I'm floating on my vibe.
Okay, another week ending the video on the deck. I was just reviewing some quotes with Alex in here right now. We just sent one off for the city, doing a big site servicing project, doing another one out in Calabogie, far end. But this video consisted a lot. We use a John Deere tractor in this video, which was super neat. That actually is Daniel's tractor. We're renting that off him. Next video, we're gonna have a bunch of really cool projects. If you follow us on Instagram, you know that I'm gonna be stripping a 10-acre parcel. It's a 10-acre parcel with stripping about 7.5, 8 acres for topsoil. We're actually gonna be screening the soil on site. It's a really, really cool project, and I can't wait to actually show you guys that one. But big week, big Elgen bed coming up next week also as well. That's why we were bringing it here, so we can screen it. The Elgen sand has to be screened. I look forward to showing you guys what we're doing next week. I'm gonna enjoy the sunshine. You should too. Catch you guys on the next one. Take care. But of course, I did not forget about you guys, the True Patriots channel that watch the entire video to the very end, which is right now. And if you are one of those True Patriots, I want you guys to comment down below, load it up. Why are you commenting down below, load it up? Well, Darren and then Mike today, we're loading up the John Deere tractor with the buggy on behind it with Elgen sand so that we can complete our project for next week. So if you watch the entire video to the very end, comment down below, load it up. I appreciate you guys. Catch you on the next one. I swear the hats, some shirts, some swim trunks is all coming. Catch you guys in the next one.